This shelter offers a comprehensive Pets for Seniors program. It has several components. First, every Wednesday, seniors receive a half-off adoption on any adult pet, and they receive a free spare neuter on any pet they adopt from the shelter. And this is our way to give back and say thank you to older adults in Fairfax County. Also, we offer special volunteer and foster orientation and training sessions geared towards older adults. We have a small dog volunteer group for older adults who want to come play with small dogs and socialize them while they wait for adoption. We also have foster opportunities, so if you are not ready to commit to owning a pet, you can help foster one of our animals while they wait to be adopted.
It's a wonderful experience in knowing that we're making a difference. That when they first come, some of them adjust very quickly, some of them are frightened. They sit there, put their heads in the corner and jump when you even touch them. So it's interesting, it's very rewarding to take them from when they first come, and some of them were fearful, and working with them slowly, just talking with them or reaching toward them, just barely touching them. And then gradually they loosen up and they feel more confident, and then they become more social. That's what we're trying to do, is get them more, bring them back to being themselves so that they can interact.
One other component we're working on is a peace of mind network. That means that if an older adult adopts a pet from the shelter and because of illness or another reason is no longer able to keep that pet, it won't come back to the shelter. It'll go into a special foster program where it will be adopted straight out of foster. We found that for older people, one main concern is that they someday won't be able to care for their pet, and we wanted to alleviate that concern so that they could adopt worry-free.
I highly recommend having, for senior citizens to have pets or to volunteer. Your homes, our children grow up, go away. Of course, we have our friends, but it's still wonderful to have a living being there with you, and you can give love to it. It gives love to you. My Siamese, for instance, they love to sit at my feet. They don't like by their breed. They don't like to snuggle. As far as volunteering, yes, it helps you be active. You're helping animals, but you're also interacting with very warm, caring people.